The 14-day wake-up call. Why every CIO needs an AI access strategy, not just an AI strategy. 2 weeks, that's all it took. A handful of Indian banks, telecom firms, and cybersecurity companies were given early access to one of the most powerful AI models on the planet. 14 days later, that access was gone, pulled overnight by a US government order. No warning, no transition period. If that timeline doesn't stop you in your tracks, it should. I am Aparna Kumar. In my latest piece, 14 Days, what India's first sovereign dependency event teaches every board about access continuity. I unpack what happened when Anthropic's Mythos 5 and Fable 5 and why it's the fastest, clearest lesson yet in what I have been calling sovereign dependency risk. Here's the sequence. India was one of just 15 countries given early access to Mythos 5 under Project Glasswing, real recognition of our strategic weight in AI. Days later, Fable 5, the public version, rolled out here too. And then a US directive citing national security forced Anthropic to suspend both models for every non-US user everywhere, including, reportedly, Anthropic's own non-American staff. Now, why does this matter beyond the headlines? 3 reasons. First, Mythos wasn't a chatbot. It was a cybersecurity powerhouse built to find vulnerabilities faster than human teams. For banks already building it into their defenses, this wasn't a vendor review footnote. It disappeared mid-deployment. Second, this wasn't about location. It was about nationality. Who you are now determines what AI you can use regardless of where you sit. A brand new variable for every IT services firm and GCC with global teams. Third, India generates nearly a fifth of the world's data. We own less than 5% of global AI compute. That gap is now center stage. So, what do you do with this? 3 things for your board this week. First, build an AI access dependency register. One document showing which critical functions depend on which AI model from which partner in which jurisdiction. Second, test your access continuity plan. Not we have a backup partner on a slide, but if access vanished today, how long to switch and have we actually tried it? Third, separate urgent from important. Sovereignty is a multi-year journey. Your access continuity test is due this week. 14 days is the new benchmark for how fast a strategic asset becomes a strategic liability. The full article goes deeper, the cyber exposure, the workforce dimension, and why changing landlords isn't sovereignty. Read it, share it with your board, and ask yourself, if your AI access disappeared tonight, would you know what broke first? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.